ano yung sasabihin ni Ate Kat, okay? So, when I say the boat is sinking, the boat is sinking, the boat is sinking. Then shake your body, shake your body. Group yourself into three. Three. Group yourself into Okay, sample pa rin yan, okay? One mixer ka ulit. Let's try again. One mixer ka. Okay, put your hands on your waist, kids. The boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Now shake your body, shake your body, shake your body. Then group yourself into three.